Okay, here is our inverter which is labeled 600 watt. This is the outlook. Okay, this is the back fan, and here is our board. We are completely looking what is inside in this board have. So first we start from the PWM section. Okay, here as usual, if you see, this is TL494 PWM, and here is the regulator for the IC. This is for the USB 5 volt. For the USB the number cannot see clear. Okay, anyway, and here is our EI33 core for 24 volt, that is in parallel. Actually this is for 500 watt I think, and this is the output rectifier diodes. This is for the feedback rectifier. The output bus capacitor is bulk capacitor is 450 volt 120 UF. This is 1000 microfarad 25 volt for the fan and other regulation. Here is our SPWM module, which is EG8010. I think this is the old version, that one. And here this is our current sensing resistor. This one has a shunt resistor. I think it's a bleeder resistor, or maybe for the voltage, this one for the output, and this is for the DC voltage, and here is for the fan, and here something I don't know what's that, and here is our AC output. Okay, this is for the frequency adjustment. I don't know why I put 5 version 50. This is the old model, and this MOSFET is for 80 volt ATM, I think for current regulation, but I don't know how it will work. Okay, one thing I know, and this is the 35 volt 2200 microfarad capacitor for the DC. Okay, and I don't understand always about the fuses, why they always solder the fuses, if you look the back side of this board, it is so DIY. Okay, you have to desolder this section, so then you can take out the fuse. If not, then better to just give a jump wire. Anyway, let's see the PCB. Here is, you can see inside is the other side prints, you can see it, right? So this is actually a board. It's not a big board, it's just I was in the zoom, this wise look like it's, I think, like a 6 inch, yeah, like a 6 inch, and maybe like a 5 inch, 5 inch and 6 inch, like that. So this was the hardware, and about here don't have in this board any kind of short circuit protection. Okay, that is the one most important short circuit protection which is important, but don't have. And you see the manufacturing 2018, this one, but what is today date? Today is June, right? 30. So 30 June 2022 is too low, too old, ready already. This why I was thinking, why is like this, so there don't have, in this board don't have any kind of configuration. Simple, the PWM pulsing this MOSFETs, running this transformer, the output get rectification coming to the high voltage this DC bus, then again chopped by this SPWM, and it go output here to this inductor, because then more filter the output waveform, and then it's go and then have this the feedback. So it's not a difficult design, very simple design. Just they put a one USB here, give the one regulator. So if you talk about the price, definitely what you spend that you get. So this core is actually is EI33. I checked the data sheet is for 500 watt. So 500 watt is a maximum of one core. So this booth can give 1000 watt, but if you uh, put this one onto 24 volts, so it's like 500 watt, not that one. Okay, it is just, I don't know, simple spray paint this one. So this is the complete this board review. Don't have protections, just